You walk into a grocery store, and there it is. A whole, hot rotisserie chicken for a price that almost seems impossible. It looks fresh, smells delicious, and costs less than many fast food meals. But wait, how can a fully cooked chicken be this cheap? Is the store losing money, or is there a hidden strategy most shoppers never notice? Millions of Americans buy rotisserie chickens every year. For many families, it's a quick, affordable dinner. But behind that low price is a business decision that's far smarter than most people realize. At first glance, it doesn't make sense. Raising, transporting, seasoning, cooking, and packaging a whole chicken sounds expensive. So why would stores sell it for such a surprisingly low price? Some shoppers even wonder if there's a catch. Is the chicken lower quality? Is something being hidden? Surprisingly, the real answer has much more to do with customer behavior than the chicken itself. Because the chicken isn't always the product stores care about most. In many cases, it's simply the beginning of a much bigger strategy. And once you understand it, you'll never look at grocery shopping the same way again. Here's where the mystery begins to unfold. Many grocery stores don't expect to make their biggest profit from the chicken itself. Instead, they see it as a way to bring customers through the front door. Think about it, you came in for one hot chicken. But before reaching the checkout, you pass fresh vegetables, drinks, snacks, desserts, and dozens of other tempting products. Suddenly, your shopping cart looks very different. Retail experts often call this a loss leader strategy. That doesn't always mean the store loses money on every chicken. It means one attractive product can encourage customers to buy many other items with higher profit margins. And that's exactly what happens. A customer who planned to spend just a few dollars often leaves with a much larger grocery bill. The chicken started the trip, but it wasn't the end of the purchase. Now the low price starts to make sense. The chicken isn't just dinner, it's an invitation. A smart business idea designed to bring people inside, where the real shopping begins. But here's something even more surprising. Not every grocery store follows the exact same strategy. Some stores actually accept very small profits on rotisserie chickens because they know loyal customers are worth far more over time. Think about your own shopping habits. If one store consistently offers great value, where are you more likely to shop next week? That's exactly the question retailers want you to answer, without even realizing it. And there's another hidden advantage. The smell of freshly cooked rotisserie chicken spreads through the store. That delicious aroma doesn't just make people hungry, it can encourage them to spend more time browsing nearby products. That's why you'll often find the rotisserie counter placed where shoppers can easily notice it. It's not just about convenience, every detail is carefully planned to create a better shopping experience. By now, the mystery is becoming clear. That low price isn't just about selling chicken. It's about building trust, creating value, and encouraging customers to come back again and again. But one final surprise still remains. So, are grocery stores actually losing money on every rotisserie chicken? Not necessarily. Every retailer has its own pricing strategy, costs, and business goals. But one thing is clear, the chicken is often designed to bring much bigger value than its price alone. A simple, affordable chicken can lead to a full shopping cart, a satisfied customer, and another visit the following week. That's why one low-priced product can become one of the smartest tools in modern retail. The next time you see a cheap rotisserie chicken, don't just look at the price. Look at the bigger picture. Sometimes, the smartest business ideas are hiding in the products that seem too good to be true. And that's what makes this story so fascinating. What looks like a simple dinner choice is actually a mix of business strategy, customer psychology, and smart retail planning, working together behind the scenes. So, the next time you smell a fresh rotisserie chicken at the grocery store, you'll know there's much more behind that low price than meets the eye. Sometimes, the biggest food mysteries aren't hidden in the recipe, they're hidden in the business decisions we rarely notice. If you enjoyed uncovering this mystery, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Food Mystery Lab for more fascinating food stories, food science, and hidden business secrets.